My name is Stephen Wallace. I'm a director with Clinical Leadership Solutions. I have been for the last 5 years. At Clinical Leadership Solutions, we're a specialist healthcare consultancy provider. We provide services for public and private healthcare clients in UK, Ireland and further afield. In 2014, we had established a business around a single brand. Last year in 2018, we had realised that our business had maybe grown more organically than with a central coordinated strategy. When we looked, we basically had about 3 or 4 different arms to our business that we felt could probably be consolidated into a more stronger message and a stronger brand. We consulted with our client executive at Invest Northern Ireland, and it was able to direct us to the Design Active programme, which we started in mid-2018 and concluded at the start of January 2019. During 6 sessions of Design Active, we found it was twofold. Firstly, we had the support of peer organisations. When we first went there, we felt there'd be a lot of organisations who may be product-based. We found there were quite a lot of service-based providers there too. One thing that was very interesting was we were all saying about the same things, about getting consistent brand and consistent messaging. And this is something that I was quite surprised that it was so common across all fields rather than just us. And we found we got a lot of help and support and a lot of encouragement from businesses who may be in different sectors who could advise us of how they've overcame certain barriers in their presenting their brand. Secondly, the foundation, who were our design consultancy, who worked with us on this, were a great fit. They understood what we wanted by our messaging and they understood what we wanted by our branding. And our mentor from Queen's, Rory, helped challenge us and ask us some very pertinent, useful questions about what we should be getting out of the programme, and added to the process of our interaction with the design agency by maybe questioning what our messaging should say and what more longer term we're looking out of it. So the role of a mentor was essential and extremely beneficial to the outputs we got. The Design Active programme has had a very positive impact on our business. We've been able to develop a 9-month marketing strategy that without would have been much harder to pull together. We've also been able to focus our activities and divide up between what we're doing to promote our business and devote time to what we would consider as actually delivering the value product to our clients. We hope to see growth in our app business and training business in 2019. We've already been able to set targets with that. We also feel that our clients better understand what we are trying to do and how we add value, and whenever you're providing a service as opposed to a product, it's sometimes harder to articulate what you're adding to a business, where we find whenever now we have a clear, simple messaging strategy that when we engage with the customer, very clearly at the start they understand what we're planning to do with them and how we're going to make their service improve as a result of our interaction. At first we were very sceptical about changing our whole brand and about changing what we thought was ethos and what was our identity. This was common with a lot of people who were on the programme over 6 sessions, but what we found is whenever we opened our minds and actually seen how we could get better value and promote ourselves better, that actually a lot of things are open, a lot of doors are opened. I think the programme for any small to medium business in Northern Ireland is a definite must, and definitely keep an open mind going into it and consider how you structure your whole marketing and branding, and you've nothing to lose from it.